Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT and Zapier to automate your workflows. This is really powerful because it lets you use AI inside your Zaps, whether that's writing summaries, replying to emails, or transforming text automatically. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to zapier.com, log into your account. From the dashboard, click on Create Zap. Now, for the trigger, choose the app that will start the automation. For example, I'll pick Gmail and use the event New Email. This means every time I get a new email, the Zap will run next for the action. Search for ChatGPT by OpenAI. Select it and choose the action conversation or send prompt. Here, you'll connect your OpenAI account by pasting your API key. You can get this key from the OpenAI account dashboard. Once connected, type in the prompt you want ChatGPT to follow. For example, I can say, summarize this email in 3 bullet points. Then map the email body from Gmail into the prompt field. Click Continue and test it. Zapier will send the text to ChatGPT. You'll see the AI-generated response. Now you can add another action to do something with ChatGPT's output. For example, you could save the summary to Google Docs, send it to yourself on Slack, or even reply to the email automatically once you're happy. Click Publish Zap, and that's it. You've just connected ChatGPT with Zapier. From now on, every time the trigger happens, ChatGPT will process the information and give you an AI-powered response automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy automation tutorials.